ये लो मेंटोस खा लो, दिमाग की बत्ती जलेगी तो पूछना बंद कर दोगे मुट्ठी में क्या है, मुट्ठी में क्या है। Hey Jellies, welcome back. Oh, this video is going to be my Children's Day special. That's why I'm dressed like that. Yay! If you don't know, 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day in India, which is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, or lovingly called as Chacha Nehru. Chacha meaning uncle. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. You might be thinking how I remember all these things, right? Oh, I used to give the introductory speech every Children's Day in my school. But not to worry, you can search the Wikipedia, okay? So because this is a Children's Day special episode, let's walk down the memory lane of every millennial Indian kid's childhood. Wow, क्या दिन थे. So I was saying, I'll be right back. So, if you're not a 90s kid, that is, computer in your home while growing up, then this is your chance to look before your times. Ah, good old days. And to all my 90s friends, grab that box of tissues or your hanky. Or your sleeve will do. अरे आंसू पोंछने के लिए. Because I'm telling you, that little teardrop is definitely going to roll down your cheeks. Who remembers Boomer? Boom boom boomer, हमारा प्यारा boomer. It's a chewing gum. And Big Babool. It was a craze those days, okay? Chewing gum and chewing gum bubbles. And more than that, the tattoos that come with it. Every day new tattoo. Monkey, roses, snake. And remember that corded telephone line. We had one in each house in the living room, and we friends had this secret code of how many number of rings, to convey the message. 1 ring, 4 बज गए खेलने आजा. 2 ring, secret conversation in नुक्कड़ वाला shop. 3 rings, urgency, come right now. घर के पीछे आंगन में मिल. And how you used to call your crush and hang up when their parents pick up, right? But somehow, I don't know, the parents always knew who the call was for. Big troubles for your crush, I'm telling you. And slam books, the then version of Facebook. We used to fill each other's slam books before the board exams, because after the exams you go to a new college, you have new friends, you have a new life. It was a way to say keep in touch, bro. Until Orkut came along. You remember Orkut? The one Facebook murdered. Okay, and the huge cassettes and CD collections. Everyone who was really fond of music had those cassettes and CD collections. If you have been here for some time, you know that I'm a big fan of music and I love songs, so you can imagine my cassettes and CD collection, okay? Talking about music, the 90s remix albums. Hi, you remember that? Kaanta laga, hai laga. Now that we are speaking of collections, who used to collect all those postcards of actors and actresses? Me? That would be me. Yeah, me. I used to collect. I had a big collection. Every new year we have these numerous greeting stalls, and there I'll go every day and I'll buy at least 2 or 4 postcards of actors and actresses. No, I had a big bunch. I think I still have them somewhere. I just don't know where. And you remember those days we used to send greeting cards to people by post, and I used to be super happy when we used to receive a greeting card. These days we only send messages with a bunch of emojis. And the extremely slow dial in internet. You know how it used to work, right? When you're using internet, you cannot call. So it's one or the other. So phone doesn't work when you're using internet. And those creepy CD shops and the cyber cafes. I think they still exist, but not as creepy as that times. You know what I mean? And then we didn't have PlayStation or Xbox and all those things. We used to have video games, and we used to play Contra and Mario. I can guarantee every one of you remembers Mario, right? Yes, I'm applying for music composing. Yes, absolutely. And those handheld video games, used to play Tetris, Snake, an aeroplane thingy, I don't remember the name of it. I remember a number of times I've smuggled in the handheld video game to school, and I used to play in the class, the boring ones. And then the battery died, and then you have to explain to your parents how the battery died so soon. And then you pull out the latest, greatest idea out of thin air. The capacitance of the battery, somehow with the humidity, it just dies very fast. That's why I'm electronics engineer. But the best, absolutely best thing. Sorry, Shaktiman. अद्भुत दम्य साहस की परिभाषा है, ये मिटती मानवता की एक आशा है, ये सृष्टि की शक्ति का वरदान है, ये अवतार नहीं है, ये इंसान है, शक्तिमान 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 Shaktiman. God, I'm really being nostalgic now, okay? Really nostalgic. Alright guys, that's all the memories I want to share in this video today. If you can relate, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends, and let's make everyone nostalgic. Okay? Share some memories with some old friends on this Children's Day. We never get enough time to do that, right? Relish our beautiful childhood memories that we had. If you like this kind of storytime videos, comment down below and let me know. We can do more of them, okay? If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe because I make videos every Friday and you don't want to miss that out. And you definitely should join the Team Jalli because we are rock stars. Also, please follow me on all the social medias, links in description. Please check them out, and I will see you next week. Same time, same place. Watch me. Love and peace. Ta-da! And happy Children's Day!